Together we're making an easy poppy seed dressing for your favorite salads with clean, natural ingredients. It's made higher in protein with cottage cheese and is naturally sweetened with honey, and it only takes less than a minute to whip up. To make this poppy seed dressing, we're going to start with cottage cheese. I love using cottage cheese because it's high in protein, it has a very mild flavor, and it just adds delicious creaminess to any recipe. To make it smooth and creamy, you'll want to use either an upright blender or a food processor or the chopper cup with an immersion blender like I am. So I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cottage cheese, and you can use low fat, non-fat, large curd, small curd, whatever your preference. I like to use the full fat for the most creaminess. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of oil, and my preference is either avocado oil or light olive oil. And for natural sweetness, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. You could also use maple syrup or agave syrup if you prefer. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, but you could use any vinegar that you like. And for some extra flavor and natural sweetness, we'll add 2 tablespoons of some freshly squeezed orange juice. And then for a little bit of savory, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Then we'll simply put on our lid and blend it until it's smooth and creamy. Well, that looks gorgeous and smells incredible. Now go ahead and just transfer this to a jar. Now we have this beautiful dressing that is ready for salad. And a peeky test. That is so delicious. It has the perfect amount of sweetness coming in from the honey and the orange juice, and then has so much flavor coming in from that little bit of garlic and the onion. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients without any preservatives, which means I'm going to feel just as good even after I eat it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and that takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.